Changing the language in the Coinbase app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app. Launch the Coinbase app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Locate the profile icon or the settings gear icon, usually found in the upper corner of the app's main screen. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the language or language preferences option. This section allows you to view and select different languages. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to see a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language from the list by tapping on it. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your desired language, make sure to save the changes if prompted. The app may refresh or restart to apply the new language settings. Once you have completed these steps, the Coinbase app will display content in your selected language. If you need to change it again in the future, simply repeat the process.